Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis several times last week, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's movement, updates here need to be done. And really the key dynamic here, because I've talked about this level before, but just from looking at the chart, the question becomes, well, what direction does this adjustment need to be made? And now that we have more data, this level of support needs to be adjusted from 50.5 cents down to 50 cents. And whenever levels of support need to be adjusted lower, that is a bearish sign and not a very good sign at all, because you can see now that the price is made even lower lows than where it was, because previously the price had done a fantastic job of holding strong at 50.5 cents, but now that level is violated. But to give some credit where credit's due, I mean, you have to at least acknowledge the fact that the bulls really stepped up and behaved very strongly whenever the price got around the 50-cent mark. But the point here is, well, previously they were holding strong at 50.5 cents. So the good news is it's not like 50.5 cents was broken and then the floodgates opened and it flushed down 45 cents or anything like that. But the point is the floodgates were still opened up a little bit, allowing the price to now drift down to that 50-cent mark. So a bearish dynamic in that regard. But like I said, there is some bullishness in that too, because it could have been a whole lot worse with that level being broken. So we'll see if that leads to any sort of bullishness or not. And then as far as levels of resistance, I'm going to go ahead and move this level down, just because in a much more near term, 51.5 cents is going to be that first key area of resistance if there's any sort of bounce back to the upside. And if the price can get up through there, then at that point, next key level would be that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, which is valued at 53 cents. But probably getting a little bit too far ahead of myself right now. Let's just first see if the price can get some sideways price action and then get above 51.5. And then at that point, it would make more sense to be talking about the 50-period moving average. But all in all, yeah, rough way to start off the week. But the good news is there's still 4 days left, so plenty of time to get things turned around. So let's see what's in store. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.